Welcome back. We have our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission with us this morning to teach us another fantastic back-to-school recipe. We're making some berry cobbler today. Charlene, tell me about this recipe.
All right. I thought it'd be fun to end our series with a dessert.
Yes.
And we've got all kinds of berries that are at the farmer's market or in the grocery store right now. And this is an easy one to make. I brought out our teacher little sign here because you know teachers are getting into the swing of school too.
Yes, they
and
are.
If you make this, it might be nice to take a little treat to the teacher.
Sure would.
Tell her thank
Yes.
you. So look at these beautiful berries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. And I'm going to have you add the soy flour blend.
Right. Goes right
And
there.
the recipe for that is 7 cups of all-purpose flour
Okay.
with 1 cup of soy flour. Mix that together,
Perfect.
put it in your flour canister, and use it for everything. And then put in the sugar.
Alrighty.
And then I'm just going to lightly toss those so that they're coated. And that is going to go into our baking dish. We'll put that in here. And this is an 8-inch baking dish.
Okay.
There, one little berry tried to get away there, didn't it? Okay, we'll just smooth that out.
Wonderful.
And that will thicken up from what we,
Right.
as we coated that. Then this mixture I made ahead of time, and it is a dough, so it makes it easy to make this cobbler. Use 2 pieces of parchment paper, and after you make the dough, which has the soy flour blend, it uses margarine in it,
Okay.
and margarine is another soy product.
Yes.
A little bit of soy milk is in here, a little bit of sugar for sweetness, and then roll that between 2 pieces of parchment paper. And then we're just going to put this on top. I'll get this a little bit closer and peel that off. And because, if you use the parchment paper,
It helps,
yes. And I did flour it just a little bit.
Oh, sure.
So that helps release it. But the great thing about this is that just get it to fit. This is a rustic one. This would be great for kids to make. And now I'm
Right.
going to turn it over to you.
Okay.
And you are going to brush it with an egg wash.
Yes, here we go.
And that will make it golden brown. And just, boy, the kids would have fun
Right.
doing this too,
A
won't
little
they?
painting.
Yes, the little painting, that's right. And after you get done with that, then we're going to
Okay.
sprinkle that with a little bit of granulated sugar for the topping.
Alrighty.
Oh, that looks great.
Wonderful.
I'll put this over here.
Okay.
There for you.
And then you just want to sprinkle it on
Yep,
top
just
all the
sprinkle
way
it on
across?
there. Yeah.
Okay.
Put it in a 350-degree oven. It will bake for about 40 minutes, but until it's nice and golden brown. It will serve about 6 servings. And then remember that idea to take a piece to your teacher. Tell her thank you for teaching.
Yes.
It's a nice thing to do to get started for the
It
year.
certainly is, and it was super easy to
Yes.
make too as well, Charlene. If people want to find this fantastic recipe for berry cobbler or any of the other back-to-school recipes that we've made this month, where can they do so?
Yes, they should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. You can also call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN and ask for all the August recipes. There's 4 weeks of recipes, so
Yes,
we'll
there
send them all to
certainly are
them.
Great ones. All right, Charlene, as always, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Happy to have you. We'll be right back.